210 grams of protein, only 1,120 calories for less than the price of a Starbucks drink. And yes, this is for a full day of eating. It's clean, high in protein, and it's low enough so you never ever break your deficit. This means you can build muscle and achieve fat loss at the same time. What's up, Iron Lion Nation? It's your boy Majillion here, aka Brown Rice Bandit, and my TikTok followers have been hounding me to drop this video as fast as I could, so I just started to shoot it as soon as I got back from the gym, but it was definitely worth the wait. Just remember that this is a very low calorie meal, and it is high in protein, but you should never be in such an extreme deficit. The best part of this is that because you're able to hit your protein goals with such a small amount of calories and feel full for the entire day, you still have plenty of wiggle room to have the snacks that you like. That means you can have that Rice Krispies treat right before the gym so you can carb load and really bust out those reps to get even more muscle. If this video helped you in any way, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Drop some comments for more questions, video suggestions, because I got you. I'll be adding even more meals that I use during my cut, including things like protein ice creams I make at home and protein shakes that are super nice, like milkshake quality at home, and other meals. Let's do a quick breakdown of these meals. It's gonna consist of 2 meals throughout the day and 1 snack. The 2 meals is something I like to call a power bowl because it gets you nice and strong and it's very filling. And you're gonna have a protein shake. So I'm gonna walk you through a quick sample meal plan. You wake up in the morning and you have your protein shake. You take 1.5 scoops. Now you can get a protein powder from Amazon. It's about $60 for 74 servings. So that comes out to about $1.20. Then in the afternoon, you're gonna have your power bowl. I'm gonna show you how to make the power bowl a little bit later in the video. That's gonna cost you about $2.60. That'll be 70 grams of protein. That protein shake you had earlier was 36 grams of protein. You're already at 106 grams of protein for only 560 calories. Now it's getting closer to evening. You're gonna have another 1.5 scoops of protein and you're gonna have the power bowl again. That comes out to 212 grams of protein for 1,120 calories for $7.60 for a grand total of $228 for the entire month. Who says you can't eat clean on a budget and hit your macros? Because it's not me, it's not this channel. All right, let's jump right into how to make the power bowl. You're only gonna need 2 ingredients plus a seasoning of your choice. And I'm gonna show you how to make it taste even better with a special sauce that I make. We're gonna start things off with 16 ounces of egg whites onto a medium-high heat pan and then add your 0-calorie cooking spray. Wait till the spray turns translucent like this and then add in your egg whites. Now you wanna continuously stir for the entire time. This is gonna make sure that you get a nice, fluffy, moist, individually grained egg whites that's hyper palatable and not dry and disgusting. And it's gonna start getting cloudy like that. You see I'm stirring the entire time. Once you get bigger chunks like this, you wanna add a little bit more of that spray to keep the strands a little bit more individual and once again, better mouthfeel. And then you finish it off and you stop the heat. You get your tuna can, open it, make sure that the tuna is actually in water and not oil, so it's only 90 calories and it's $1 per can. Drain out all the water, and then you add your tuna into the bowl. Now you add in your egg whites. They already look delicious, to be honest. Now you're gonna add your seasonings. I personally use garlic powder, about a tablespoon, and then black pepper to your taste, and then a pinch of salt. You can also make this delicious sauce that I make. It's made with light Miracle Whip and sriracha. It's in a 2-to-1 ratio. It's about 30 calories. Mix it up, it's delicious. You can also eat them with these extreme wellness wraps. This is a little bonus. They're about 50 calories per wrap and 5 grams protein. You can also make protein rice. It's basically chicken broth instead of water when you cook the rice. You wanna make sure you refrigerate it after you cook it for about a day. This is gonna make the rice starch less digestible and reduce the calories by up to 60%. This was actually found by Sri Lankan researchers. You can also add some spinach in for more fiber and better poops. All right, so thank you guys for stopping by. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other feedback, hit me up. I got your back.